Xyoo Tshiab, YouTube!
And happy Hmong New Year's, everybody!
We would like to take this moment to recognize one of the biggest celebrations in our community.
Hmong New Year's is a celebration that takes place at the end of harvest. It's also a time for people to gather and mingle.
AKA, find some love. Hmong New Year's takes place all over the world, including
San Diego,
Long Beach,
Denver,
Seattle,
Fresno,
Fritz, Guyana,
Hellville,
Gotham,
in your heart,
and many other places we don't have enough time to list because we gotta save time for Eric's wink. As for Xyoo, we have many exciting things coming on the new year, like
more profile videos of the handsome men of Xyoo.com,
mashups in our Lee series,
Hmong workout collection,
dramatic reading,
Xyoo Music Fridays,
and anything else we feel like posting, like more sexy dancing.
Thank you to everybody who has subscribed and continue to watch our content.
We enjoy and love the support from everybody. Check out our new Facebook page, the link is below.
Remember to leave us a comment, ask us a question, tell us what you want to see next. We're listening, man.
And
Xyoo Tshiab.